Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Let's see where Nifty and Bank Nifty will move tomorrow, what strategy we need to apply, and what we can expect from the market. Friends, on Friday we clearly discussed if there is a flat or gap down, so we'll be looking to sell the market, and only above certain levels we'll be looking to buy the market. But if you notice, like as soon as the market opened, there was a quick sell-off. If you notice, there is a single prints in the market, so no volume has been traded, and it was a sell-off. But if you notice one thing, like someone started to buy the market here, that means like there is a buyer in the market and he wants to lift the bids aggressively. If you notice very clearly, up here, like the delta was decreasing and it was decreasing and increasing, and later the market flushed all the way to the lower levels and there was a buyer, he bought, and a little bit of a profit booking came in the market, and the market went all the way to the lower levels. So net to net, if you notice, there was a quick amount of a selling once the 15,760 got broken out, and so there was a little bit of a backbidding was happening in the market. There was a short-term algorithms were booking the profits, and net shorts were entering into the market. I was expecting a breakout here because you can notice second time and third time, like the buyer has tried. You can notice second time here and the third time here, like the buyer has tried to lift the market higher. So that is why certain these points I give you the stop loss and I said you to hold the market. But net to net later I realized no, something was fishy, and premiums were increasing and the price was coming lower and lower levels. So I thought you just exit from your call positions and enter into the put positions. In the puts we got like very good amount of a profit, and most of my clients, they made a very good profits, and they even sent the screenshot with me. And if you notice, like once again it touched at 15,720 levels and it has backbidded again all the way to the higher levels. So we should consider like 15,700 is a fair value area, and the buyers wants to buy at these levels. So what we can do for tomorrow's market? So tomorrow if the market opens flat and if it crosses 15,950, we'll be definitely looking to buy the market. And the first target should be like 16,100, and next target should be like 16,150. So you 100 to 150 points of profit you can book, and you can exit from your positions. If you notice today, for a certain time there was an NSE glitch was happening, and more of a short covering was happened, and most stops got triggered, and many people might have lost the money, but still net to net we made a very good amount of a profit. If you notice one more thing, like the market is in range itself. It went little bit lower levels, and it tested for the liquidity, and later it has bounced all the way to the higher levels. So that means like the seller doesn't want to sell at a lower and lower prices, so we might see a breakout at a higher levels for tomorrow. If we find a gap up or gap down, again definitely we'll be seeing the price action and we'll be trading accordingly. Let's go into the Bank Nifty chart and see what the Bank Nifty has done. Compared to the Nifty, like the Bank Nifty was completely weak. The smart money was shifting the money from Nifty from Bank Nifty, from banking stocks to an IT stocks, because when the index is when the crude oil prices are going higher, so when the rupee is depreciating, so that is a good favorable outcome for the IT companies. So the smart money was shifting all the money from the banking stocks to the IT stocks. That is why you didn't see any of the IT stocks were sell off, only the banking stocks were been sold into the market. The same thing has happened, a big sell off candle for the first 5 minutes, and it continued all the way to the lower levels, and somewhere it found the liquidity again, it got sold into, and later a profit booking came into the market. And if you notice somewhere here there was a buyer, somewhere at this point I said to you like there is a buyer, because once it tested, second time it tested, the third time it wanted to test. So later once I saw like the sellers were aggressive at these levels, the sellers were entering into the market, later I said okay fine, you just exit the position and enter into the shorts. Somewhere at these levels I said you to sit at the shorts, and we got a very good risk reward profit today. And I didn't trade because of some personal reasons, like I made you to stay into the trade, and I hope you all are made the good profits, because I got many screenshots from my customers. They said like we made a very good profits. And net to net I was expecting the short covering rally there itself, but it came all the way to the lower levels, and later the short covering has happened in the market. So what we need to expect from the market tomorrow? You can notice like more of the shorts got triggered into the market, so we might see a short covering rally tomorrow as well. So if the market opens flat and if it crosses like 33,000 levels, remember if the market crosses 33,000 levels, then only we'll be looking to buy the market, 33,000 levels. If market crosses 33,000 levels and if it holds for 15 minutes, then we'll be looking to buy the market, and first target should be like 33,500, and next target we can keep it as 33,900 levels. So every day we are seeing like 1000 points of a move in the bank nifty. It was more than 2%, like I was not interested and I was not in front of the system, but somewhere at these levels I saw like the buyers were entering into the market, so I was expecting a short covering at these levels, but later I found like the seller was entering into the market, so I made it to sit at the seller's level. Like the sellers enter into the market and immediately it got sold into somewhere at this levels. I said you to enter, and later we got a very good profit. So this was a good profit. I was expecting up until here. So that is why I said you, as per my calculations, it was like 800. So if you notice at the premium price also, once it retested 800, 820, the market spent some time here and later it got broke down, and it found a liquidity somewhere here, and later it got bounced all the way to the higher levels. So 33,000 high, we'll be looking to buy the market. If we see a big gap down and gap up, again we'll be seeing the price action, and we'll be doing accordingly, because we are seeing a very huge gap ups and huge gap downs. So it is unpredictable to predict even the market, and sometimes we are facing this kind of a glitch. Because of this, like many of the stop losses will be triggered. So please trade cautiously, and the premiums are extremely high, even though we are having a 3 trading sessions, but still it is an extremely high. Trade with a less quantity and hold it for a long time, and please don't forget to put your stop losses. I hope you like this video. If so, please do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon as well. Thank you so much.